peace be upon you, and the mercy and blessings of Allah. In the busyness of everyday life, it's easy to feel lost. We all look for something steady to hold on to. One of the best things to hold on to is Allah's name, Ar-Rahim, the especially merciful. Unlike Ar-Rahman, whose mercy covers everyone and everything, Ar-Rahim is a special, personal mercy, just for those who turn to Him. It's like a gentle light in your darkest times, comfort when you feel alone, and forgiveness when you mess up. Imagine the sun shining on everyone. That's Ar-Rahman. But Ar-Rahim is like a lamp in your own room, guiding you personally. Every time we say, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we're reminded that His special mercy is always there. You don't have to be perfect to get it. It's for those who try, who fall and get back up, who call out even with a shaky voice. In a world where love often has conditions, Ar-Rahim offers love without any conditions. His mercy is a quiet power, always there, just waiting for you to notice. Turn to Him. His mercy is a promise made just for you. Ar-Rahim is a part of our faith, always present in our prayers. 17 times a day, we remind ourselves that Allah's mercy is both huge and personal. This isn't just a routine, it's like hitting a reset button for our hearts, a reminder that we stand before the source of all mercy. Ar-Rahim's mercy is the peace after you pray, the strength to say sorry, the clear thinking after you've been confused. Think of Allah's mercy as a river. Ar-Rahman is the river for everyone. Ar-Rahim is a channel flowing right to your heart. This channel is always open, but you have to go to it. Allah sees your struggles, hears your silent prayers, and offers a mercy made just for you. Welcome it. It's a connection more personal than you can imagine. Life is full of good times and bad times. Sometimes you try your best and still don't quite make it. When you fail, it's easy to feel like you're not good enough. But this is when Ar-Rahim's mercy shines brightest. Like a caring teacher who helps you learn from mistakes, Allah's mercy is an invitation to try again. He doesn't judge you by your failures. Instead, He helps you grow, learn, and depend on Him. Every setback is a chance to turn back, to ask for His help, and to find new strength. His mercy turns mistakes into wisdom and weakness into strength. So when you feel defeated, remember Ar-Rahim. Turn to Him, share your disappointment, and ask for His help. Your value isn't in your successes or failures, but in being a loved servant of the most merciful. His mercy is always there to lift you up. Understanding Allah's mercy is powerful, but living it is life-changing. When you experience His kindness, let it inspire you to show mercy to others. Forgive those who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because you know how often Allah forgives you. Be kind to all of creation. Help a stray animal. Take care of the environment. Be gentle with others. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught that kindness to every living thing is rewarded. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. Don't be your own harshest critic. Practice self-kindness. Accept that you're human, and remember Allah's endless forgiveness. True strength is not being perfect, but being strong because of mercy. Let your actions show the mercy you hope to receive. Never lose hope in Allah's mercy. No mistake is too big for His forgiveness. Every prayer, every sincere, I seek Allah's forgiveness, is a step into His ocean of mercy. He is Al-Ghafur, the all-forgiving, and Ar-Rahim, the especially merciful. Call upon Him in your struggles, your loneliness, your regrets. He promises to answer. Let His mercy steady your heart and give you the power to go through life with hope and kindness. Be merciful to others, for the Prophet said, "The Merciful One shows mercy to those who are merciful." By spreading mercy, you invite more of Ar-Rahim's special grace into your life. And that is a promise that will never be broken.